Welcome. So Sonia has some issues in opening the account on Trading 212. All right, Sonia, welcome. So Sonia has some issues in opening the account on Trading 212. And I just suggested that we are doing a video together and we are doing that for you. So if you didn't do so, go to this link bit.ly/kaching212. Now you're loading up just click on loading. Good, the app is loading down. It's downloading. It seems that it's on mobile phones and iPads. It's automatically going to the App Store, so you cannot register on the website. So you're opening it up. Trading 212 automatically adjusts to the language, the local language that you are running on your device. In this case, it's German. But what it says, it's open an account. So click on that. Or did you open an account yet? This is your.
There is the same what.
So now date of birth. You're entering your phone number.
Yeah.
This is the text residency. Then you have to enter your text number, your address of your residency.
So
now the type of account that you want to open. There are two types. One is invest, the other is CFD. So we want to go with the invest account. The CFD account is something that you may want to enter at a later stage. It needs a lot of experience, but for now I would say just go with the invest account. It's a currency that you want to work with. It's euro. That's fine. Just continue. Now we have some financial details to clarify. Just go on.
Yeah.
This is your yearly income. Just select the appropriate amount that you're earning per year. This is the amount of savings and investments that you're currently doing without real estate. Then you have the source the source where you have your savings from. So it could be your income, it could be savings, it could be pension, social.
You can only click one point.
Yes, take the main one. So if your main savings are coming from your income, then just click income there. What is the reason to open up an account? It's just to make investments. What is the origin and the target of your financial assets? So
I have EU-Bankkonto besitzen.
Yeah, so if you're owning a bank account, then you can choose a bank account. If you are owning a credit card or debit card, can you choose several there or just one?
No, only one.
So then again here, take the one that you want that's your main source of funds that if you want to fund the account, so if you want to bring money into that account, then into the Trading 212 account, what would be the main vehicle to do that? So the main source, if you're transferring money by bank transfer, just choose bank account, but keep in mind that it takes up to 2 or 3 working days until the money arrives. And if you're choosing credit card, then you can immediately transfer money, but it's only free up to an amount of 2,000 euro. So if you're transferring more than 2,000 euro, and this is over the whole lifetime of your account. So if you're transferring today 1,000 and tomorrow 1,000, then you have used up your 2,000, and from there you pay 2% in fees for payments with the credit or debit card, and you can enhance your payment providers also afterwards. So it's just the primary source of your fundings. Where will they come from to the Trading 212 account?
And what do you recommend me? Because I want to use both.
You can start. You can, if you want to use both, then choose whatever you like now. So it's you can add another instrument afterwards as well. So you can add another bank account afterwards or another credit card. So that's no issue. So how much money would you like to pay in on a yearly base? Choose the appropriate amount that's good for you. Remember to calculate the amount of money of your income, and 3 to 7% of that should be used in opening an account. So just if you for example take 100 euro per month, it's you're choosing the first option. It's 1,200 euro per year. Okay, continue. We're coming to the end. So how is your risk tolerance? Just choose here moderate, or you choose I'm long-term oriented, for example, with as low risk as possible. So whatever you choose, if you're choosing I will take high risk investments and so on, it could be that they are declining you access. Yeah, which sectors or industries are they in? Just choose it. And then you're coming to the questionnaire. They are asking you some questions before you're able to open up an account. So that needs some knowledge. They want to know the basics from you. Let's continue. So which type of financial instruments are you comfortable with? So what do you know? For example, it's cash, or it's a fund, or it's real estate, it's stocks, it's ETFs, it's investment funds, it's precious metals here, derivatives. So just choose, for example, shares here, stocks and shares. In which countries are you investing still? So it's your foreign countries, or it's your own country, it's the emerging markets. I would here say the US markets, USA and West Europe is fine. Click on continue. How did you make your decisions where to invest and how to invest? You can choose I've decided myself, or I have decided based on a recommendation of someone else, or someone else managed my money for me. I would say here I have decided on my own where I'm investing into. Okay, continue, please. What is the right on a dividend? So what is the right on a dividend? It's the right to get shares of a future emission of a certain company. Is it the right to become a member of the head of a company, or is it the right on participating on the wins of a capital gains company, or capital company? How's it called in English? So it's a stock company. If you are on the stocks market, if you're a company like Apple that has stocks that are tradable on the stocks market, is it the right to participate on the profits of this company? So what do you think? It's the right to participate on the profits of this company, right? So continue. What is a small stock? What is a small stock? Either it's a share of small companies with low prices that are traded unregularly, or is it shares of a company with a wide capitalization, or is this high-priced shares that are traded very often?
I think that are shares of little companies.
Shares of little companies, so shares of little companies with low prices that are traded infrequently. So I would agree to that. Continue. So I agree that I confirm that I have read the following and understood everything, and I'm confirming it. So please please either read it or download it, take a look on it, just scroll through it. You will always have the chance to do that afterwards as well. So then just continue. I confirm that I have read the following and understood. So now they are asking you they want to rent out your shares. What does it mean? You are buying shares at Trading 212. So if you want to buy a share of Apple, then you're buying that, and they don't send the share to you. You own the share, you own the right on the share, and a trust company is holding the share for you. But at the same time, you're giving them the confirmation. You allow Trading 212 to take your share that you have bought, and they want to lend your share to someone else for short selling. Short selling is a term, you don't have to understand it now. It's basically you borrow a share, and then from someone else, then you sell the share, and if the share goes down and you buy it back, you can make a profit out of that. This is some kind of also, let's call it, financial instrument. So you allow them to lend out your shares that you have purchased. How risky is that you can have a look on that. So they state everything here in the description of the risk. If you want to know more on that, just read over it. I would say that's no risk for us right now, because as mentioned, Trading 212 is part of the security of your. They have a banking license, so your funds are safe up to an amount of 100,000 euro at least. The next screen, enter your email address again and your password. So this will be your login credentials. Choose a password, and then you're clicking on open an account, and welcome here to Trading 212. Your account has been set up. You have now to do the KYC. They know your customers, so they are asking you to prove your identity. Just continue here. If you cancel this, they will ask you frequently, and I think you will not be able to pay in funds. So you have to choose a type of authorization here. It's your passport or your driving license. Then you're choosing your country, where you're coming from. And now it's time to activate your camera, and you have to show your picture into the camera together with your passport, and then they are confirming your identity. Selfie is clear enough. They will check your account, and now click OK. Perfect. Now you are basically set up to start investing. On the left side. So this is how to set up your Trading 212 account, and from there we are going together in the next session. So thanks, Sonia, for giving us the opportunity to participate and to learn from your experience, and I hope that helps others as well.